dol-41, dol-43, and dol-45 are robust capacitive relay sensors with different relay functions and several mounting options. dol-41, dol-43, and dol-45 are designed for general detection of feed, grain, and solid materials, and can be used in agriculture and various industrial facilities. The use of electronic rather than mechanical switches ensures a unique reliability, particularly as the electronics are completely encapsulated in special plastic to maximize protection against humidity and other external influences in harsh environments. The sensor's electronics are completely embedded in a thermoplastic casing. This achieves a very high resistance to moisture and other external influences in aggressive environments. Sensors are CE, CUL, and UL approved, and have a high immunity to noise from electric communication, for example from mobile phone, and transients, for example from motors and contactors. This makes our sensors very reliable and dependable in operation. dol-41 has no time delay. The relay switches as soon as the sensor is activated and remains in this position until the activating influence stops. dol-43 has an option for delayed switch-off and management of the delay length. When the activation stops, the time delay starts. When this delay expires, the relay switches back. dol-45 can be set up with no time delay, with delayed switch-off or switch-on, and management for delay length. The time delay will start when the sensor is activated. The relay switches when the time delay expires. The relay will not switch back until the activation stops. dol-45 also comes in a dol-45 RT version. This version is specially developed for detection of feed supply and pipe conveyors, for example dry feeding systems, and controlling feed transport systems. dol-41, dol-43, and dol-45 are adjusted by 2 buttons. Sensors with a smooth design are mounted with a standard PG36 or M40 gland. The sensor versions with threaded housing are mounted in a 30mm hole and are tightened with a lock nut. All the sensors are mounted so that at least 10mm of the sensor end is free. To see data from our sensors, connect them to a farm controller. Sensors from dol-sensors fit most farm controllers. Please follow all of the instructions in the technical user guide, which is found on www.dol-sensors.com. Learn more at dol-sensors.com.